How to check screen time on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and navigate to the screen time option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your estimated overview of screen time. Tap on the See All app and website activity option to see a detailed overview of your screen time. You can also tap on the Last Week option and it color codes which category is your most used and least used apps by hours. Then you can also go and see apps and websites, it categorizes them. You can see your pickups and most used apps in categories. So, this is how you can check screen time on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.